Hi! Let's make a watercolor Christmas tree together. Take your favorite color and paint the outline of a Christmas tree. And fill in just the half of the Christmas tree, like so. Then take a darker shade of this color and fill in the other half. Using this toothbrush, I added some snowflakes on the tree. I used a paintbrush to make some bigger snowflakes and also painted the stump. I wet the surrounding of the tree with water and then went over it lightly with some green watercolor. After this dried, I took some acrylic paints and painted some lights and Christmas ornaments onto the tree. Finally, I made an origami Christmas star and glued this onto the painting. And it's ready! Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, and I wish you a Merry Christmas!